Yeah, so question 12 is another coordinate geometry question. It's quite a lot of information here, but just read it all really carefully. So part A is talking about the point capital A, and the point capital A is where it meets where it meets the y-axis. So that's going to be when x is 0. So the easiest way to figure that out is don't rearrange this equation at all, just sub x is 0 in, and if x is 0, minus 4y plus 12 is 0, so 12 is 4y, so y is 3, and then it meets the x-axis at point B, so that's going to be when y is 0. So again, if I just go to this, if y is 0, that's going to simplify to 3x plus 12, so 3x is minus 12, so x is minus 4. Okay, so, and it does say coordinates of A and B, so let's make sure I give those properly. So the coordinates of A is 0, 3, and the coordinate of B is minus 4, 0. Okay, then part B, so wants to equate a line that's perpendicular to this line. So I'll need to find the gradient. So let's start with the equation as they give it to me. And then I'm actually just going to add the 4y over, divide by 4, and there's the gradient, but I want a perpendicular line. So the perpendicular gradient is the negative reciprocal of 3/4, and it goes through the point A. So I'm using that coordinate and that gradient. So I'm going to use y minus y1 is m times x minus x1. So y minus that y coordinate is that gradient times x minus, well, I'll put minus 0, but I can just not bother with that. It wants it in this form, so I'm going to multiply up by this 3, so 3y minus 9 is minus 4, and then those brackets just equal x, so just minus 4x. It does need me to have everything equal to 0, so my final step would just be to add 4x over to the left-hand side.